What is bookkeeping? Where is it used?
Bookkeeping is the process of recording, organizing, and maintaining financial transactions and records for a business or organization. It involves systematically recording all financial activities, such as sales, purchases, receipts, and payments. Bookkeeping is used in various contexts and by different individuals or entities. Here are some common users of bookkeeping. Small business owners. Bookkeeping is essential for small business owners to maintain accurate financial records, track income and expenses, and make informed decisions about their business operations. Accountants and bookkeepers. Professional accountants and bookkeepers utilize bookkeeping techniques and tools to manage the financial records of their clients. Financial managers and executives. Bookkeeping provides financial data and reports that help financial managers and executives analyze the financial performance of a business. Auditors and tax professionals. Auditors and tax professionals rely on accurate bookkeeping records to perform audits, review financial statements, and ensure compliance with tax laws and regulations. Individuals for personal finance management. Bookkeeping principles can also be applied by individuals to manage personal finances effectively.